everything is good for you. So for today I'm gonna share with you a simple way to make a business card. As you see, she looks pretty beautiful. I'm gonna use in the Canva app, and I'm gonna select in the model that I want. You can use every model you want, and just like this. I hope that you like the video, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell button to see all the news. Just like in informations, if you're a cooker or designer, you can show the things that you do on the model. Like if you're a designer, you can select your models and you can make them on your business card. You can do all of the things that you want. You can change color. You can do all the things just like this. And I let you with the video. So this is the final result now, and as you see, I'll do land it, and I'm pretty happy by the result. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.